Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update tax info. It's crucial to keep your tax information current with the relevant authorities. Life events like a new job, marriage, or moving can significantly impact your tax obligations. Maintaining accurate records helps prevent potential penalties and ensures you receive the correct tax refunds or pay the right amount. Prompt updates also streamline processing, saving you time and hassle. This guide will walk you through the essential steps. Many life events necessitate updating your tax details. For instance, a change in marital status, such as getting married or divorced, directly affects your filing status. Welcoming a new child or adopting impacts your eligible dependents and potential tax credits. Moving to a new home means updating your address with tax agencies. Furthermore, significant changes in income or employment status often require adjusting your tax withholding to avoid surprises. To begin, gather all necessary documents, including your Social Security number, new address, and any relevant income statements. Next, access the official tax authority website or contact them directly via phone. Locate the specific forms or online portals designed for updating your personal or financial information. Carefully review all changes before submitting to ensure every detail is accurate and complete. This helps prevent errors. It is generally recommended to complete most updates within 30 days of the change occurring. Always keep copies of all submitted forms and confirmations for your personal records. This is vital for future reference. If you encounter complex situations or require specific guidance, do not hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional. Additionally, regularly review your tax withholding to ensure it accurately matches your current financial situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.